Okay, we are in Seattle, and I'm here with Mike, and we are at MAVAM. So we're gonna do a bit of a tour of MAVAM, just because it is so amazing to see these machines built here and manufactured and all of that. And I wanted to do a tour of the shop and see how you've been, and let's go through it. So I'll have Mike take us away.
All right. Yes. Well, welcome. Yes, our little factory here. It's pretty cool timing because this is where we started, and also we're moving into a new space next month. So very cool to see kind of the beginnings of everything. So come on with us.
Let's go inside.
All right.
Okay,
so here's our
little front office.
where we take care of the money situations. This is our testing / where we make our keep us all caffeinated, keep everything moving. This is our first bay that we ever had. This is an office complex, so we can get multiple bays. This is where we build and do all the testing of the undercounters. So right now we're final testing a 3-group and a 2-group right now. Over here we do all of our sub-assemblies. So at this company we build everything in a sub-assembly. Over there Philip's building hoses. We build our own heated hoses in-house. Put everything together boiler box wise. It's Friday, so we just shipped on Fridays. We do all our shipping on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But we're starting our next builds for next week. Out here we have all of our assemblies for brew boilers, fans, piping, and so on and so forth. All of our heaters, wiring happens in this bay. Over here is our mock, where we build all of our undercounter interfaces, and then our mock series. So like I said, we'll keep all of our sub-assemblies. We'll have our valves pre-made. And so over here, we're just putting together parts, machines. So, I mean, we build everything with every fitting and so on and so forth. And here's a machine going to Korea, Barry's putting together.
Yeah, it's just so cool to be able to see kind of the life of a machine get put together, right? You just don't really see this anymore, where you got parts and you got techs building things, or at least places that you can easily go to, right? We drove up here and we're shooting a video here, but you can just basically walk around. You can see like this is so cool. All the parts laying around, things getting built. Love that.
So we're prideful of everything's made in the Northwest. So all of our sheet metal just made down the street, and they'll deliver it to us all finished. And then we'll put together the interface over on this side. So we'll put them in our jigs. We'll start building from the ground up. So put the machines together and put all the components in. We do all of our in-house design of all of our electronics. So all of our boards are even made here.
Yeah, you got MAVAM on the PCB right there.
Yeah, this is our first. It's called the UI board, but we designed this in-house. Every board's designed in-house. So yeah, a lot of pride for that. I took it to our machinists. We get all of our machining done. So all of our group heads are done here. All of our fittings for our Steam Wands, our Steam Wand fittings, bells and balls, everything. Yeah, cool. Little jig we have. We can
to simulate some guy's counter or a coffee shop's counter. Because again, if you guys haven't kept up with MAVAM, there are a few different models here. There is the under counter. You can get it in many different groups, 1, 2, 3, and then there's also the super auto that's also under counter, and then there is the mock, which I like the mock. The mock's my favorite, but yeah. So they have the testing rig and everything here. That's super cool. That's like rotating table.
So you don't have to work under the thing, cheating. And then over here we have our mock testing area. So once he gets done building machines, we keep everything modular. We roll down, and we start testing. And then over here is our 3-group mock going out, actually going local, going to a place up in, I believe, Shoreline. And then over here we have Brian's machine.
Yes. So this is a machine I'm very excited about getting, single group. And then this, I got a custom color too. But yeah, it's just super cool because 110 volt, there are only a few of these. I just really wanted to get a MAVAM. I mean, basically, you guys have seen the videos across a few years. Like, whenever we go to SCA Expo, we stop by MAVAM, and we're like, it's so cool. I love the feel of the machines and all of that, like touching all of this. And, I decided it was the right time to pick one up. And, yeah, finally pulled the trigger and picked one up. So there it is. Now I'm done with espresso. I quit. It's over. But yeah, that's my machine. You'll see a lot of videos on this, and we'll talk more about that later on. It's kind of like, each bay is dedicated to one machine, right? So we got the mocks on one side, undercounters on the other side, and then you got one more space here.
Yeah, one more space. So over here is our super auto, and we also do all of our storage for our crates shipping out.
You know, you start with one, and then you get another space, and then I gotta walk across the street now, as we've seen in a lot of these places now.
So you see, we're keeping all of our boilers storage here. So all of our new steam boilers for our super autos,
Wow.
all robotic welded.
But it's just like awesome. You can grab parts off just like everywhere. There's stuff everywhere.
And there's Will over here building machines.
Hey.
And then over here we build all of our super autos. So we have all the components that we put together, all of our grinders, all of our boilers, and so on and so forth. We put all together into a finished product.
Super auto. So it's each of the spaces is dedicated to, you know, one product line. You know, assembly, testing, build out of all of that. So very, very cool. Yeah, well, that is just the tour of MAVAM. You'll see some more videos we're gonna shoot with Mike today. But yeah, you know, just wanted to show that off because it's really, really difficult to do what you're doing, right? Building a business, building these machines here in the States, and you know, growing and releasing new products all the time. So it's just, yeah, it's just so hard to do what you're doing. And I wanted to show that off because I think, you know, I think you guys are into this stuff, right? We're showing off like how it's made, right? And this is real, right? Yeah, we'll have more videos together, and yeah, thanks for watching.